Now, 27 storm track weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Hoffman.
Well, we had ourselves an absolutely gorgeous afternoon. Temperatures surging back up into the upper 30s, even the 40s for some of us for the first time in about 3 weeks. And even now, things are pretty comfortable out there, though there are some changes on the way. And we're already seeing some of those changes. The clear, dry conditions, your tower camera, we had beautiful sunshine throughout the afternoon today. However, now dealing with that cold front pushing even further off to the south, that's what helped bust up our cloud cover earlier on. But now northerly winds streaking in behind that cold front, gusting as high as 15 to 20 miles per hour, cooling things off. From 38 degrees in Madison earlier today to 27 degrees as of right now. Winds out of the north 13 miles per hour. Feels like temperatures in the state capital 16 degrees. It feels like 9 in Fond du Lac. Look at Stevens Point, a wind chill of 8 degrees already, and that's just the beginning of this cool down. Best way to spend this evening? Indoors. Maybe ice side. Even with the Badgers taking on Notre Dame this evening, probably warmer inside the Kohl Center than outside. 21 degrees at puck drop, 7 o'clock. By 9, down to 16 degrees. Temperatures continue to tumble from there. In fact, overnight low temperatures all the way back down to the single digits. And worse yet, winds will still be relatively weak, maybe getting up to around 5 miles per hour, but wind chill values could actually dive down below zero at times early tomorrow morning. We could see a departure from 38 degrees to feels like temperatures of -6 in Madison by 6 o'clock in the morning. Now, fortunately, by the time that Frozen Assets 5K gets underway at 10 o'clock in the morning, it's back up to 12. Mainly clear to partially cloudy skies up to 19 by 1 o'clock. Afternoon high temperatures back into the low 20s, but increasing cloud cover. We'll see partially cloudy to mostly cloudy skies by Saturday afternoon, topping out at 21 degrees in Madison. And Frozen Assets is the only thing going on Lake Mendota. No, the Winter Carnival at the Memorial Union tomorrow afternoon and evening. Temperatures actually staying relatively stable tomorrow night. Even after that sun sets, we only see temperatures drop a few degrees between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. That's because we have that added cloud cover and a returning southeasterly wind. In fact, temperatures surging for your Sunday from a high temperature of 21 degrees on Saturday to 32 on Sunday. Look at Monday. We find ourselves all the way back up to 43 degrees. By Tuesday, we're topping out near 45 degrees. Things warming up in a very big way. A mix of sun and clouds between now and Tuesday, but a relatively quiet forecast nonetheless. Wednesday, slightly cooler, high temperature of 38 degrees. 36 next Thursday. Slight chance of isolated rain showers. Friday, we wrap up that extended forecast, a high temperature of 45. And if you're wondering, how long will the warmth stick around? Well, the Climate Prediction Center indicating that more of that warmth is on the way. Our temperature outlook through February 16th, likely well above average, and there's more hints of more warmth on the way, even for the third week of February. However, the last week of February into the first week of March, there are some hints of a big cool down headed our way.